Welcome to the tutorial series for the Habitat for Humanity Tucson Home Repair website. In this video, we will show you how to use the system to move a request through the projects phase. We will be using Jane Doe's request, which was processed in a previous video. It is important to understand that in the real world, the following steps are performed over the period of weeks or months. Jane's request will be divided into two projects, one funded by AIP and one by A Brush with Kindness. Let us start by reviewing the process diagram. This video will cover the project phase. A request moves from pen degree to schedule work, then work in progress, work review, work done, through to complete. The canceled status is used to capture when a request is stopped for any reason after a signed SOW is in place or project money has been spent. Moving back to the home repair website, we last left Jane in schedule work status. Her record can be found by selecting Projects, All. This brings up a project view where one request may be comprised of one or more projects. For instance, Sharon Jones has 3 projects. Notice the ProjNum and status columns. This status is for the project and not for the request. Look to the right to locate the client status column. This is the request's status. A request is not marked complete until all its projects are completed. Also notice that 2 of Sharon's projects are completed, but 1 is still work in progress. Let us add 2 projects to Jane's request. Expand the Client Project section. Click on New Project to expand it. We will enter ProjNum of AIP 001. Scope of paint the exterior of the house. Status pending WIP. Funding AIP. Budget 400. And a schedule. We'll use the calendar to select 8/10 of 20. And we'll save the record. We will reopen Jane's record to add the second project. Once again, expand the Client Projects section. Click on New Project to expand it. And this time, project number will be ABWK 001. Scope of yard cleanup. Status of pending WIP. Funding other. Budget $100. And schedule of 8/29 of 20. Save the record. We now have 2 projects for Jane. As time progresses, the projects can be updated to record actual start date, financials, and the status. There is a text field to record volunteer groups and/or contract resources that are being used to perform the work. So for actuals, AIP 001, the actual start is 8/13 of 20. Performed by Joe's Painting Company with a final bill of $420. Status of completed. A Brush with Kindness 001. Actual start is 8/29 of 20. Performed by Veterans Committee with a final bill of $80. and a status of completed. Save the record. Both projects have been completed, so now we need to complete the request. So let's reopen Jane's request. Update the status to work done, and then record the work start 8/13 of 20 and work done 9/15 of 20 key dates. Save the record. Let us see what else is needed to finalize this request. Jane's request did not require loan or lien documents. We simply asked for a small donation. But if those were required, the dates they were completed can be recorded in key dates. A completion notification and SOW sign-off is received from Jane, so we need to record the closed out and notified key dates and mark her request as complete. We will use 10/1 of 20 as those dates. Save the record. We have used the Habitat for Humanity Tucson's home repair system to manage Jane's request from the initial inquiry through project completion. Thank you for watching.